Now, let's talk about hedonic treadmill and paano ito naapektuhan yung happiness ng tao. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
A lot of people think their life is terrible because there's kind of the hedonic treadmill. You get used to how great your life is. No one had a hot shower until 50 years ago. So I try and do this thing when you stand in a hot shower. George Mack, my friend, pointed this out to me. Well, look, when you stand in a hot shower, just for a moment, just go, well, no one that you admire from 100 years ago had this simple pleasure in life.
Try to do a mental experiment. Ilagay nyo yung mga tao 100 years from before dito sa present and look at how will they be amazed doon sa narating ng current generation and how happy they would be for having what we have right now. A lot of things that they were doing before, like for example, paglalaba, diba? It is now automated at mas less na yung burden of work sa kanila. So, baliktad naman, tayo yung ipunta nyo doon sa previous ages na kung saan halos lahat manual, well, you will get reklamo, pag-give up, so on and so. Mas lalala pa yung anxiety or yung mental health ng mga tao na pupunta doon sa previous ages na kung saan mawawala yung mga pleasures or yung mga gadgets or yung mga machines na ginagamit nila.
We are in the top percentile in terms of the luck that we have had. The lives, like the calorific intake that we just take for granted, the fact that our children don't die, in the first year, the modern medicine and our lives and the entertainment that we get. We're living like kings. And yet, life has never been objectively better and subjectively worse.
Our lives has never been subjectively worse because of other people too. Sila yung nagsasabi na dapat ganito yung pananaw mo sa buhay, dapat maging ganito yung pagtingin mo. And it end up to be acquiring or na-acquire ng tao yung ganong klaseng point of view. Lalo na yung mga reklamador. Yung mga rally ng rally. And what's worse with that is they are just asking for entitlement for other people to do what you want to do.
Because the nature of humanity is our desires are mimetic. So we've got this thing where we sort of, how happy are you? Well, it's your quality of life minus envy. That's how happy you are.
Now, yung inggit ng mga mahihirap sa mga nakaangat sa buhay is not really impossible na makuha ng mahirap. Given, of course, na kailangan mo rin may ibigay na kapalit. Hindi pa pwedeng mahirap ka, tapos makukuha mo yung bagay na nakuha na nagsumikap. That's not how the world works.
And it's easy to look at everyone else and how they're doing and not take pleasure in what you have.
One of the reason why hindi nagiging grateful yung mga tao when it comes to what they have is because most of them hindi nila pinaghirapan yung nakuha nila. Katulad ng, for example, yung mga nakukuha nila sa ayuda, hindi naman mahirap yun. Magwawalis ka lang ng wardi-wardi doon and bibigyan ka ng pera. And then later on, pambibili mo ng mga bagay na gusto mo like alak, sugal, so on and so forth. But then after that, you would feel empty or they would feel empty. Kasi nga, wala nang. Ganun lang pala kabilis mawala yung mga bagay na binigay ng ibang tao because hindi mo nga siya ma-appreciate dahil meaningless. Kasi nga, yung the way mo siya na-acquire is instant. Unlike nung mga taong pinaghirapan nila yung kalagayan nila, they've put in much work, hard time, endless pagpupuyat, extra work, yung pagtanggi nila doon sa bagay na gusto nila para sa kasalukuyan kapalit nung mga future things nila. That's what gives meaning doon sa awards, doon sa pera na nakukuha nila. And yun na nga yung problema doon. Pag niyaya mo sila doon sa pag-improve sa sarili nila, sila na mismo yung naglilimita doon sa mga kakayanan nila. Sinasabi nila na hanggang dito lang ako, ito na yung kaya ko, kasi busy ako, so on and so forth. Lahat ng dahilan ibibigay nila para lang hindi sila mag-improve. Instead of finding out ways, they remain the same, hoping that whatever they are doing right now would produce a different result. And that's not going to happen. Yes, you will get things by being weak. Tulong, suporta, so on and so forth. But after you get those things, you would still feel empty. Kasi yung mga bagay na yan, hindi niya kayang punan yung bottomless pit na nararamdaman mo. Kasi ikaw talaga yung kailangang umalis dun. Ikaw yung kailangang magpuno nun, hindi yung ibang tao. And kasunod nun, kasunod ng pagsusumikap mo, yung appreciation mo at yung matututunan mo at magiging ikaw after mong paghirapan ang isang bagay. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.